Hi, so it's here with Genuine Futures. We're here at a bin store in, I believe it's Western Street. We're here today with Squosh It, so I'm gonna pass it over to Cameron, who's he's gonna take lead on this one.
So the plan is to take all the bins out, stack them nice and neat, jet wash it all out, and then put the bins back in so it looks presentable.
Creating a space where we can all stand tall. We rise together, side by side, building hope and building pride. Cleaner streets and brighter skies. Our Bolton, our future, let it rise. It starts with listening. Oh, oh, starts with you. Together. Make a change in our community, we'll rearrange it. More than just cleaning, it's feeling at home in every corner and every dome. Where the hope in dark, the light in despair, belonging in this place, showing we care. Every effort counts, every smile and cheer, transforming our streets, spreading love and no fear. We rise together, building pride, cleaner streets and brighter skies. Our Bolton, our future, let it rise. It starts with listening. Oh, oh, starts with you. Together, there's nothing we can't.
Hi everyone, Sam here from the Genuine Futures family. Alongside me today is Stuart from Squosh It. Together with Clean Futures and Genuine Futures supporting the young people, we're here today at Great Home. What have we been doing, Stuart?
Well, basically we've got the bins out, we've been jet washing the floor while the lads have, and as you can see it's all nice and clean. So now the guys are starting on the bins as well now. So the bins have been sanitised, now they're getting the flush, and now the water's getting plastered on them, and it's all going to be nice and clean. We've got the two guys here brushing the floor, and that's going to look beautiful, fantastic.
You know, what we see in our community, Stuart, is these bin stores can really cause a lot of issues with health.
Yeah.
When we first spoke about the opportunity to work together and support young people to build their life skills, there was no better thing to kind of come here today to help these young people to understand that we can clean up the communities together. This is about making our streets safer, communities safer, but also cleaner. And this is going to be a great partnership, isn't it?
It is. It's going to be a great partnership. It's starting from the bottom and it's building itself up, working to the top. So who knows where it could all end.
And just look at this young lad here now. He's grafting. You know, 6-7 months ago, this lad was locked in his bedroom, excluded from college, dropped out, and now he's here cleaning up the streets of Bolton here in Great Lever. This is called empowerment. This is youth-led social action.